Hey there, gardening enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every green thumb out there, transplanting into the garden. Now, we all love the idea of bringing new plants into our outdoor spaces, but there are some common mistakes that can turn this exciting process into a bit of a headache. So stick around as we explore the 7 foolish mistakes you must avoid when transplanting into the garden. Let's get started. 1. Overgrown pot. Mistake number 1. Leaving your plants cramped in their pots for too long. Now, it's tempting to let them grow wild, but trust me, it's not doing them any favors. When roots become tightly bound, it stunts growth and can lead to transplant shock. So, keep an eye on those root systems. 2. Ignoring soil quality. Next up, let's talk about soil quality. Mistake number 2 is not giving enough thought to the soil you're transplanting into. Your plants need good, nutrient-rich soil to thrive. Make sure it's well-draining and not compacted. Mix in some compost to give them a healthy start. 3. Poor timing. Timing is everything in gardening, which brings us to mistake number 3, poor timing of transplanting. Don't rush into it too early in the season when the weather's still chilly, and definitely avoid doing it during a heat wave. Aim for mild, stable conditions to give your plants the best chance. 4. Incorrect plant depth. Mistake number 4, planting too deep or too shallow. This one's easy to get wrong. Always aim to plant at the same depth as the plant was in its original container. Cover the roots well, but don't bury the stem or expose too much of it. 5. Neglecting watering needs. Water everywhere, but are you giving your transplants the right amount? Mistake number 5 is neglecting watering needs. New transplants need regular watering, especially in the first few weeks. Don't drown them, but don't let them dry out either. Find that sweet spot. 6. Skipping transplanting prep. Mistake number 6. Skipping transplanting prep. Prepare the planting site in advance. Clear away weeds, loosen the soil, and make sure you have everything you need on hand. A little prep work goes a long way in ensuring a successful transplant. 7. Over-fertilizing. And last but not least, mistake number 7, over-fertilizing. It's tempting to shower your new plants with nutrients, but too much can actually harm them. Follow recommended guidelines and remember less is often more when it comes to feeding your garden. And there you have it, folks, the 7 foolish mistakes you must avoid when transplanting into the garden. By steering clear of these blunders, you'll set your plants up for success and enjoy a thriving garden all season long. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy transplanting, and until next time, happy gardening!